Hello guys, I'd like to show you the features of the Silvercrest Dehumidifier and how to use it, just very simple. So we got this opener here, we switch it on. The display is showing the current humidity in the room. We have 4 modes. This is target humidity. You can set up the target humidity here. So let's say it's 55. And then we have automatic. Automatic is actually set up to 55. Dry close, that keeps going to the maximum basically. It's nice when you run it next to the drying close. And air clean, that one is just filtering the air over the filter from the back, which needs cleaning time to time. In the other part of the video I show you how to empty the tank and what are the options, and also I will show you the changing of the light. That's it for now, thanks. Alright guys, so let's have a look how we can empty the tank for the water when it's full. When we take it out and the machine is in the electricity, you can hear some beep sounds. I think it's the same signal as when the tank is actually full. So if we want to go and clean out the tank, we have to turn the handle to this position. And as you can see, there are these safety pins. You take out the cover and you can dry it out. That's what you should do before you're gonna put the machine away for some time without using it. So what I do, put it back, reverse order, and I can use it like this. All you do is empty the tank via a couple of holes in the cover. So I put it back, and I'd like to show you the other option of getting the water out. It's this emptying feature on the back. I take the cover out, then this is the tube that was there with as the original. All you have to do is squeeze it properly on there, but personally I don't find it as a very safe way. I would rather use the adapter for Euro hose, which I don't have at the hand at the moment. So that's it. Thank you.